Good morning, everyone. This is Paul Nunez from Paul's Picks, and I wanted to go through a rundown on a few of the stocks that I'm looking at for potential setups for this week, next trading day tomorrow. First one is AXT, ticker symbol AXTI, Information Technology. It is in a technology field which tends to run better than the S&P 500, and that's why I try to stick to that field or that sector. They develop and manufacture, distribute compound single element semiconductor substrates. I'm not going to go into the details of what this company does. I know it's in the right sector. What concerns me a bit about this stock is there is an alert um, that it's deficient. It should fail to meet NASDAQ continued listing requirements. I don't like to see that, and I typically stay away from it, but I like the way this chart looks. So I do have a small position in it, full disclosure. And let me go through why I like this stock. Basically, I'm seeing price action above a rising 200 SMA, which is my first thing that I look for in a stock. The second thing I'm going to see is rising price action. All the SMAs are pulling up. The 50, the 20, the 9, which is a little shaky in that it has a downtrend on the pullback with the S&P in the full market. I could expect that on some of these tech stocks. The 5 day is going up, and the 9 day, like I had mentioned, has a slight bend to it, as well as the 5 day. But overall, you see this blue line that I will draw here from this area right there all the way up. It's pulling away from the S&P 500. And I like when a stock pulls away, I'm interested in a combination with the the high volume. Typical volume on this stock's like 144,000, very small, 232,000. But on this day, which is 8/20, it had 4 million. Then it came down, but you could see this whole area from that date. We have a lot of volume right in this whole area. Specifically, last Friday, we have a volume of 5 million volume trade, and that's a lot for a smaller company like this one. Again, I'm not going to go into the fundamentals. I'm just following price action here. And having seen that volume and this upward trend, I did buy a small position in it or start position in it, and I will continue to watch it. Add to it if it continues to pull up in this, what I call is the third zone here, is fourth. Here's where the first zone is when the initial volume had spiked up, price action up. Is the next zone. We had a small volume creep up of 1.8 million. This next zone, volume of 3.7 million. These large candlesticks bother me a bit. This is a volatile stock. Let me go to another one. NOK is the ticker. Again, in the tech sector, communication equipment, information technology. Nokia provides mobile, fixed, and cloud network solutions in North and Latin America, China, India, and Asia. Again, I don't know a lot about the fundamentals, but I do see a lot of liquidity. Liquidity starts about here, which is 9/4/25. You can see this volume of 47 million. That's a lot. Typical volumes like 16, 14, 22, and now we're hitting 27 million. So lots of volume, and you can see it continues while the price action goes up. Lots of volume, moving price action is what I'm looking for. Here's the S&P, the gold line. I would say that it breaks away with significance right there. Oh, it looks like I got a blue line already. Right here, which is on 10/1. Um, we could see it kick away price action, easily outperforming the S&P. Now, S&P had pulled up these last 2 days, trading days, and that's why you see some good price action. You see actually see a gap here. So this is going to be a volatile stock as well. Um, but I like it because we have 66 million on Thursday, 71 million on Friday, and moving price action. Now, the other piece here is that there was earnings um, on Thursday. To me, that reinforces positive price action. This is a little less volatile than a previous stock. These are a few setups that I'm looking at that are a little more on the riskier side. So you need to babysit them a bit more. Um, have a look at them, share your thoughts, and I look forward to hearing them. And I will see you on the trading floor. And as usual, this is just not financial advice, just my thoughts. Be well. Bye bye.